Welcome to our guide on managing notifications in the Clubhouse app. If you're finding the constant alerts distracting, this video will show you how to temporarily pause them. Whether you need a brief break or a longer respite, we'll walk you through the steps to regain control over your notifications. First, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then, tap on the gear icon settings. After that, in the Settings menu, find the Pause Notifications option and toggle it on. Finally, choose the duration for which you want to pause notifications. You can select from options like for an hour, for 24 hours, for 3 days, for a week. Once selected, notifications will be paused for the chosen time, allowing you to focus without interruptions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.